I'm going to stick the pan back on because I think it's cooled off enough. Pan's cooled off. I'm gonna get it back on. Low and slow. Spray. Scrambled eggs, nope. Giddy eggs out. What? Over easy. I'm putting them on a wrap though. They're going on a farmer's wrap. So I already cooked my sausage. I already cooked my hash brown. I have shredded cheese. I've got my spicy mayo. So I'm not gonna put like a dippy, not slimy, an over easy egg on my wrap. Because I'm gonna just bite into that and it's gonna be like all like dripping and no. I definitely do not want a over easy dippy egg on my wrap. So yes, they're scrambled. Scrambled egg, drippy. It's gonna be all drippy. I don't want a drippy egg on my wrap. I don't want to bite into it and have it dripping. I want a scrambled egg. Ooh, what's going on with my hair? I got some. Good morning, good morning. Hello, Jeff. Thank you for the Harmy. Did everyone get their coffee? Are we all having coffee together this morning? You see dishes in the sink? Yes, there's always dishes in the sink. That's how, just how it goes. I am going to throw a lid on this though. Not that it's cooking too slow, I just want the top to cook kind of evenly. A little bit more evenly. Okay, so I already washed my counter down too, so I'm gonna put my wraps out so that I can start kind of assembling all these farmer's wraps. Oh my god, that's funny. Okay. Sparkles, thank you for the sparkles. Lainey Wilson, no. No relation. Good morning, good morning. By the way, I am Canadian too. I'm Canadian. Hi, welcome. I'm gonna go spread these out and start assembling my farmer's wraps because it's almost that time to eat some breakfast while it's hot. I'm ready. You guys know I always cook in bulk. I made enough for 4, and it turns out that there's 5 in here. Anyway, so there's one random lonely Tostito, I don't know, tortilla shell thing left. So each wrap is going to get half hash brown, half a hash brown. Sorry, not half. It gets a full hash brown, but I cut them in half just so I can like kind of space them out. I'll show you. So, cut it in half and then I kind of space them. So then I've got like my little spot here to roll it up at the bottom, but then there's kind of hash brown throughout. So instead of just like leaving it whole, because it would be like this big, I cut it and then ta-da. I do the same thing with my sausage patty as well. And I'm gonna do the spicy mayo dough first. Yes, I called it spicy mayo, whatever. Spicy Miracle Whip, spicy mayo, same difference. You wouldn't approve anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Can you guys see this now? So I've got the hash brown, the spicy mayo, and then the sausage. So I also cut the sausage in half the same way I did the hash brown. Voila. I'm gonna throw some cheese on top. Turn the egg a little too low. Oh my god, no, I didn't. I turned on the wrong element. Damn it. Good thing I didn't put my hand on that side of the stove. I don't even want, I have lived in this house for a year now, and I don't want to admit how many times I have turned on the wrong element. Like, it just doesn't make sense. The element's along the side. I don't know, I feel like there should be like a system, but they're random, where you think like a certain button would automatically be like, well, that if this one is this one would be this one. No, it's not. It's like backwards. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. So yes, I turned on the wrong element, okay? So my egg is not cooking yet. Here. Got so hash brown, spicy mayo, sausage, and cheese. Looks delicious, doesn't it? So now I just need to put on my egg, roll it, and then I toast the whole wrap after. Okay, hello, welcome, happy Saturday. I do have to leave fairly soon though. YouTube server issues? No, there's nothing wrong with that. It's working perfectly fine. It's good. Hello, welcome. My tongue is not blue. Definitely not. I'm like, why is that such a thing? Your tongue's blue. So I'm like, no, it's not. Everyone does it. Everybody. Too funny. Okay. Okay, come on, you guys. Tap, 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 share, like, follow, subscribe. Everybody, follow. We have hit a huge number on TikTok. It has been a very long time since we had this many people on TikTok. So follow. Let's go. We had almost 800 people. That's insane. Holy jeez. Wild. Okay. There's nothing on my pants. I don't believe